Alright guys, this is number one on your homework for completing the square. So I told you guys to get started to group the terms that have the same variable together. So we have 16x squared plus 32x, and we have the y's, plus 25y squared minus 150y equals 159. Okay, what I'm going to do first is to factor out what I can from each set of variables. So for x, I have each term is divisible by 16, so I'm going to factor out 16. 16, that leaves x squared plus 32 x, and I'm going to leave room, or I mean 2x, I'm sorry, because after you divide it, you get 2, plus 2x, plus leave room to complete the square, plus both of the y's are divisible by 25, so I'm going to factor out 25. Y squared minus 6y plus leave room to complete the square equals 159. Remember guys that I told you guys to complete the square, you divide the b term by 2 and square that number. So this b term is 2. I'm going to divide that by 2, which is 1. When I square that, I get 1. So it's completing the square there. But now I'm adding 1 times the 16 to the other side of the equation. Okay? Now for the y, negative 6 divided by 2 is 3, or negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9, so I'm going to add a 9 to that to complete that square. 9 times 25 is, I believe, 225, but we do 9 times 25 because the 25 is in front of the y. Squared there. Okay. When I add the right side all together, 159 plus 1 times 16 plus 9 times 25, I get 400 on that side. And then I can start factoring on the left. So on the left, 16, two numbers that multiply give you 1, add to give you 2, that's 1 and 1. So x plus 1, x plus 1 plus 25. Two numbers that multiply give me 9, add to give me negative 6, that's x minus 3, and that should be all in line with the 400. So you get 16 x plus 1 squared plus 25, and these should be y's over here, I'm sorry. Y minus 3 squared equals 400. Now I need the other side of that equation to be equal to 1, so I'm going to divide both sides by 400. Okay, so that simplifies to x plus 1 squared over 25 plus y minus 3 squared over 16 equals 1. And that's how you do number 1. And you're done, and that looks like a regular ellipse written in standard form. So we're done.